everyone, my name is Abigail and this is Ariel and we're from the Harris-Elmore and Genoa Libraries. Today we are offering a short tutorial for all of you who picked up our Quick Craft Valentine Day boxes. So we are just gonna create our own, and you guys can follow along with these and follow our steps to create something that looks similar to ours, or you can use your imagination and make your own.
Absolutely, well said. Do you know what you're gonna do?
Yes, I am going to make a monster out of mine. So a Kleenex box I think is perfect for this. Has the shape for the mouth, so I'm gonna cut some teeth, put some big googly eyes here, and maybe just make a design to make it look a little bit scarier.
Ooh, I like that. I like that.
What are you making?
I'm gonna do a rainbow. Ooh. I just think bright colors are necessary, and it's just a tiny little box. So I think I might like cut strips and like put it around the box. Or maybe I'll just glue bits and pieces and some pom-poms, so.
I love it. We need some color. It's so drab outside.
Oh my gosh, yeah, winter it's hitting us hard.
Yeah. Well, not as hard as it could be. It could be snowing a ton, so we've actually been quite lucky, but without the sunshine, it does make it feel much longer than it is.
Absolutely, absolutely.
All right, let's do it. I just realized that I didn't have this plugged in.
I've done that before. I have done that.
So we're gonna wait for that to heat up, and I'm just gonna cut some strips to fit my box.
Beautiful. I love it.
Now I'm debating if I should do like actual rainbow, like Roy G. Biv, but I think, oh man, what if you covered it in a certain color and then did it and then made the clouds on the outside? Oh, I was gonna think about clouds. That's a good idea. Make it particle. That's getting a little bit expensive. I'm very honored to think I am that creative and capable. I don't know you are that creative and capable. That's a lot. Quite a bit. Let's see here. I'm gonna attempt to cut a square on this piece of paper. I kind of like this pink. It looks so nice. What do I think? Yeah. I have a bright pink. See, yours is like, whew, Lord.
Need some Valentine's Day music.
Oh,
What falls under that category?
I guess you go to like Frank Sinatra,
Ooh.
like romancy type stuff.
You could, yeah.
Um,
You know, they have Halloween music.
yeah.
Well, they have Easter music, I guess. Right?
Yeah, it's like a Easter.
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 Ooh, that works. Okay.
Oh wow, that was a great job.
Thank
First
you.
try too.
Thank you. I know. Using my resources
Wisely. Well, I'm here ripping paper.
Man, I really wish I would have plugged this in. It'd be ready to go.
You know, it happens.
It sure does. I'm just cutting some teeth here.
Let's see here. I think I'm just gonna do like a rainbow here. Let's see.
Rainbows are so pretty,
I think
especially
so,
after like
too.
a really big storm and you go out and it's still kind of warm.
Oh yeah.
Like after it hasn't rained in a while.
I like when it's raining and it's like a bright rain, but it's still like
that's
sunshiny,
nice.
and you're like, what the heck? I don't know. Maybe I'll decoupage them on with like, oh, man, this is so difficult. Oh, I have an idea, but it's too late. I started on this one. These colors remind me of Perry the Platypus.
Oh yes,
From Phineas and Ferb.
we do love Perry.
I mean, I could just glue the whole box with this color and then just make his tail out of this orange paper and call it a day. But then I have to make a fedora. I don't have the paper for that.
How cute these are.
Oh my gosh, wow, that turned out really nice.
Thank you. I might glue this on my mask when I'm done,
I think that's a good idea.
so I can greet all patrons with a me face.
Okay.
Okay. It's actually more scary.
Oh my gosh, wow, that's nice. I like that.
Would that be a good mask? Sometimes we have people come in and they have the funny faces. Those are my favorite.
Yes.
I think
Those
they're
are
so
fun.
cute. So this isn't really that funny, but I think it'll still be cute.
I've diverted my my idea.
I think I grabbed the wrong size.
Oh no.
It should work right.
Yeah, you just have to press it in there.
Now that my other glue already dried.
Okay. I know this table, it makes a lot of
Yeah, it does.
So mine's definitely more of a homely craft.
And sometimes those are the best.
Yeah.
You gotta create your own style.
It's a little bit messy doing it my way, so sorry, Mom and Dad. This way, you know everybody's having fun, though.
We love to have fun.
Yes.
Oh, that's cute.
I wish I had stamps that I could, like, enough stamps you could, like, decoupage it. That'd be cool.
That would be really cute.
I'm kind of, if you have decoupage at home, I would totally recommend using it, but I am just using Elmer's glue currently.
I'm gonna try to see if a glue stick's gonna work, because this hot glue's not doing it for me. Got a clumpy monster now.
That's alright.
So exciting when we were kids.
Oh my gosh, yeah, and everybody, like, you had a box, and then you had a card for everybody, and then you would get to, like, go through and pick out where you put the certain card. Like, if it was, like, a Star Wars, you're like, oh, who do I give Darth Vader to? Who do I give Obi-Wan Kenobi to? Like, you had to be strategic of who got what.
Well, yeah.
And then if they had a Barbie, then it was like, oh my gosh, which Barbie do you do?
I love it.
It's just, you know,
It's so
what a time to be alive.
Somebody always brought in cupcakes.
Oh, yes. Oh, and you know you made it when you had, like, a kid in your class that had the, not Pop Rocks, but,
Fun Dip.
yes, thank you. Yes, you knew exactly what I was talking about.
See, are we all living the same life?
Yes, yes. I'm just saying, if you have not had one, I totally recommend it.
So fun. Do you know what time it is? It's googly eye time.
Ooh, love that.
Let's
Love
see.
that.
We do need the good glue for this.
Yeah. Googly eyes, especially depending on how big they are, they just don't hold up.
We do love Elmer's glue, but it's not the best for everything.
It's true. When I do craft videos for story time, we're very big on disappearing purple.
Oh, we love disappearing purple.
I sure do. That's the one thing I'm like, you know, Miss Ariel loves disappearing purple. It is quite true.
Oh, this is really bringing it together. Oops,
Oh,
I lost another
oh.
glue stick.
Oh. It's going down. So I was thinking, as this evolved, I'm like, ooh, maybe I should make each panel like different bunches of colors.
Ooh, that would be cute.
You might have to help me rip paper.
Okay. I know I did pick an easy one, not so time consuming.
Yeah, that was my bad. I mean, if you are at home and you have the time, you do what you like.
Oh, absolutely.
I know we have in some of the kits, there's stuff for Minecraft. You can make a minion.
Ooh, that sounds so fun.
Yeah, there's some are mermaids. Some are just your classic red, pink, white.
I love mermaids.
There's pom-poms. Like, there's a bunch.
Let's see how this marker is. Oh.
Are you writing your name on it? Oh, are you gonna give it texture, like some feathers, or like put some lines?
Hearts on it.
Oh, fun.
Ooh, lines would be cute though. Like scales or.
Yeah.
I think I'm just gonna put hearts so I don't mess it up.
Oh no, I got it stuck in my hand.
I'm not confident in my creative ability.
What?
All the way.
I was gonna say, I've seen you be creative. We know that's not true.
Well, this marker isn't.
It's like, not doing it for me.
Oh, I have another good idea up my sleeve that you're gonna love because it's very cute.
Which one's that?
I can't tell you. I gotta show you.
Oh, you're gonna show me. Oh, okay.
Are you doing anything for Valentine's Day this year?
I think that day, doesn't it fall on a Monday this year?
I don't know. The 14th?
Yep.
That's so
Every
far away.
year.
Every year.
Yeah, it just seems like, ugh. When it's on a holiday like that, or I'm sorry.
When it's on a holiday.
When it's on a holiday. Anywho,
I think every holiday we should get off work.
could you imagine? That'd be great. I wouldn't
It'd be
argue
like
that.
National Hot Dog Day, a National Give Your Friend a
Um,
Hug Day.
we
And it's
would-
like every day is a holiday.
I didn't want to make it like too like Valentine's Day.
Totally get what you're saying.
Then I was like,
To Valentine's Day. Look how cute he looks so far.
I
Look.
love that. He is cute though.
Valentine's Day is like the leading seller of chocolate, even over Halloween and Christmas.
Really? Well,
Yeah.
we shot the podcast, and I learned that apparently, like for Valentine's Day statistics, like candy is like the 4th thing on the list being sold.
Really?
So flowers is number 1.
Which makes sense.
Yes. Crap. What's number 2? I want to say food. Because then the 3rd is clothes.
Really?
Yeah. And then candy is 4th.
That's surprising that clothes would be over candy.
Yeah, which
I wonder how Easter goes then. I've gotten clothes in my Easter basket before.
I don't think I've ever gotten clothes.
Fun fact, my mom still makes me an Easter basket. She just lays it out on the counter instead.
Oh my gosh,
She like
that's-
doesn't put it in a basket, but she's like, here, I got you some stuff for Easter.
That's
It's your
what my
Easter
mom
basket.
does.
I
I
love
love
it.
it. Me too.
Yeah, I may be 26, but that's
Same.
okay.
What was your favorite candy from Valentine's Day?
Ooh, I'm definitely more of a sweet person over like a chocolatey person. I love Sour Patch Kids.
Ooh, those are good. I do like those. I do, love me though, like Kit Kat bar.
Ooh, Kit Kat.
Mm-hmm.
I'm not a fan. So I saw these online, but who knows if I can recreate them to make them look cute.
Oh, that's a cute. Cute.
Thank you, thank you, thank you.
I'm trying to get these edges looking fabulous. Because I think what I'm going to do to make it a little bit easier on myself, for the sake of this video, I should have picked 4 colors so each side would have had a color. But alas, I did not do that and it's too late to change it. So
Too
that's,
late
bam.
to apologize.
It's too late.
I feel like that's a
That's a good
Valentine's
song.
Day song.
You can't see the face I'm making under my mask, but I don't think I want to be your Valentine then. If that's your Valentine's Day song.
Oh man, he's probably singing to his Valentine and he's like, I'm so sorry.
Yeah, what about Stuck Onto You, like glue? That song's a good one. With
Oh, how
a
does that
lady
go?
stuck onto you. Stuck like glue. You and me, baby, we're stuck like glue. That's it.
Well, that relates to our craft because there's lots of glue.
It's so true. Sorry. I mean, luckily it's Elmer's, so it's definitely washable.
Our boxes! Look how good they look.
They look beautiful.
Yes, Ariel's rainbow and Abigail's monster.
I guess it's really not like a rainbow. It's more like
Well, it's like
confetti.
jewel- yeah, no, it looks good though. It's very cute.
I need to sign it. I guess I'll sign it Genoa Branch Library in case we get
Ooh.
some.
Do you want to do that now?
No.
Oh, we have to wait for it to dry.
Exactly.
Yes.
I don't want any oopsies.
You guys have any questions, let us know, and we'll be happy to show you some tutorials on the internet or give you more insight on how we made these ones. So, happy Valentine's Day.
Bye, everybody.
Bye.